Hello class, my name is Denise Henderson. Today is January 30th, 2022. So today we're going to speak about skin and the three layers, the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. So the first one we're going to speak about is the epidermis. The epidermis has quite a few functions. It's water resistant. It's our outer layer, the part of the skin that you can visibly see. It's also our first line of defense. It functions as a cell renewal cycle. So it basically has a cycle of the old cells slaw off and then it reproduces new cells. Then we have the dermis. The dermis houses our connective tissues. It is responsible for housing our sweat glands, our blood vessels, our hair follicles, and it also contains nerve ending, which those are responsible for uh, hot to feel hot and cold, the difference between hot and cold, the difference between the pain levels, the tolerance, and so forth. Lastly, we have the hypodermis. The hypodermis is the layer way at the bottom, and that has adipose tissue, which is another word for fatty tissues. The hypodermis is basically houses our internal organs. It stores, like I said again, our fat tissues. That's also a very important layer because it's basically a cushion for our body, for all the fragile parts of our internal body. It cushions it so that way it's a protective layer as well, but in our inner body. Well, thank you so much for listening and hope you have a blessed semester.